Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x power 7 plus x power 5 plus x power 3 and divide by x power 6 plus x power 5 plus x power 4. This is equals to 81 divided by 27. Here we will find out the value of x. Look carefully in left hand side. In left hand side we have highest power is 7 and lowest power is 3. And here in denominator highest power is 6 and lowest power is 4. And here power 5 and here power 5. Students, if you notice, if you divide x power 5 in numerator and x power 5 in denominator, then here you will get x power 2 and here you will get 1 and here you will get 1 over x power 2. And in denominator you will get x and here 1 and here 1 over x. And we know that if we substitute x plus 1 over x is something k, then you will get x square plus 1 by x square is equals to this something square minus 2. So here if we divide in numerator and denominator by x power 5, then x power 2 plus x power 5 divided by x power 5, then we get plus 1 plus and x power 3 is divided by x power 5, then we get 1 over x power 2. And divide by x power 6 is divided by x power 5, then we get x plus x power 5 is divided by x power 5, then we get 1 plus and x power 4 is divided by x power 5, then we get 1 over x, and this is equals to 81 divided by 27. Now x square plus 1 over x square plus 1 and divide by x plus 1 over x, this plus 1, this is equals to 81 divided by 27. Now if we substitute x plus 1 over x, x plus 1 over x, this is equals to t. Then if we take square both sides, then x plus 1 over x, this is equals to t, and here if we take square and here if we take square, then in left hand side we will apply a plus b whole square, and we know that algebraic identity of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Then here x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times x is multiplied by 1 over x, and this is equals to t square. Here this x and this x is cancelled out, then x square plus 1 over x square plus 2, and this is equals to t square. Now this 2 if we take in right hand side, then this is minus 2, then here t square minus 2, and in left hand side x square plus 1 over x square. Here x square plus 1 over x square is replaced by t square minus 2, then here t square minus 2 and plus 1 divided by, in numerator x plus 1 over x is t and plus 1, so here t plus 1, and this is equals to 81 over 27. 81 over 27. Now in numerator t square minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 divided by t plus 1, and this is equals to 81 divided by 27. Now if we cross multiply, then 27 is multiplied by t square minus 1 and 81 is multiplied by t plus 1. Then here we know that the algebraic identity of a square minus b square, a square minus b square, this is equals to a plus b times a minus b. Here if we substitute a is equals to t and b is equals to 1, then in left hand side t square minus 1 square, this is equals to t plus 1 and multiplied by t minus 1. Then t square minus 1 square is 1, this is equals to t plus 1 times t minus 1. Here t square minus 1 is replaced by t plus 1 times t minus 1. Now 27 times t square minus 1 is replaced by t plus 1 times t minus 1, and this expression is positive in left hand side. So if we take, in right hand side, so if we take this expression in left hand side, then minus 81 times t plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here look carefully, t plus 1 is common. If we take t plus 1 is common, then here 27 times t minus 1, 27 times t minus 1 and minus 81, and this is equals to 0. T plus 1 is multiplied by 27 is multiplied by t, then we get 27 times t, and 27 is multiplied by minus 1, then we get minus 27, and here minus 81, and this is equals to 0. Here t plus 1, 27 times t minus 27 minus 81, that is minus 108, and this is equals to 0. And we know that if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then this t plus 1 is a and 27 times t minus 108 is b. Then here we can say t plus 1, this is equals to 0, and or 27 times t minus 108, and this is equals to 0. Here value of t is minus 1, and here value of 27 times t is 108. Now if we divide both sides 27, then value of t is 4. We have two possible values of t. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. So first we solve case first. T is equals to minus 1, and we know that t is x plus 1 over x. This is equals to minus 1. If we multiplied both side x, then in left hand side x is multiplied by x, then x square, plus x is multiplied by 1 over x, then we get 1, and this is equals to minus 1 is multiplied by x, then we get minus x. If we take all the expression in same side, then x square plus x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Here we have quadratic equation in terms of x. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Now value of a is 1, b is 1, and c is 1, and we know that quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac and divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus and b is replaced by 1. Then here 1 plus minus square root of b square, it means 1 square, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 1, and divided by 2 times a, that is 1. X is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 times 1 4, 4 times 1, that is 4, and divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. Then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. And we know that square root of minus 3 is same as square root of minus 1 into 3. And here we will apply this rule, square root of a times b, this is equals to square root of a into square root of b. So that's why this is same as square root of minus 1 into square root of 3. And we know that value of square root of minus 1 is iota. Then here iota times square root of 3. So here square root of minus 3 is equals to square root of 3 times iota. Now value of x is minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 times iota divided by 2. Case second is t is equals to 4. If t is equals to 4, and we know that value of t is x plus 1 over x, this is equals to 4. If we multiplied both side x, then in left hand side this x is multiplied by x, then x square, plus x is multiplied by 1 over x, then we get 1, and this is equals to 4 times x. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus 4x plus 1, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of x. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Value of a is 1 and value of b is minus 4 and value of c is 1. And we know that quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac and divide by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus and value of b is minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, it means minus 4 square, minus 4 times a, that is 1, and c, that is 1, and divide by 2 times a and value of a is 1. X is equals to minus is multiplied by minus 4, then we get 4, plus minus square root of minus 4 square is 16, and minus 4 is multiplied by 1, then we get 4, and this 4 is multiplied by 1, then we get 4, and here minus, so here minus 4 and divide by 2. Then x is equals to 4 plus minus square root of 12 and divide by 2. Here value of x is 4 plus minus square root of 12 divided by 2. Then x is equals to 4 plus minus this square root of 12 is same as 2 times square root of 3 divided by 2. Now we know that a plus b divided by c, this is equals to a divided by c plus b divided by c. If we apply this rule here, then x is equals to 4 divided by 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 divided by 2. Then here this 4 is divided by 2, then we get 2, and this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then value of x is 2 plus minus square root of 3. Here we have two real solutions and two imaginary solutions are exist. Students, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.